Hi, are you looking for a home that's ready right now in a great school district in Kennesaw? My name is Gina Dizon. I am the sales manager here at Reserve at Hickory Walk, and I have what you're looking for. Welcome to Luxury Living at 3225 Danlow Court, right here in the heart of Kennesaw, Georgia. I'm so excited to show you my stunning Taylor Morrison new construction home. This is my Stockbridge floor plan. It is 3,420 square feet and features 4 gorgeous bedrooms and a very sleek 2-car attached garage. Trust me, the upgrades in this home are showstoppers. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's take a tour. Note the laminate floors that are throughout the main level. And what an incredible formal dining room. Perfect for hosting memorable dinner parties. And just across the hall, you'll find a dedicated home office complete with glass doors, offering the perfect blend of privacy and style. As we move through this home, take a moment to notice something signature to a Taylor Morrison home. We don't just have windows in the front and the back, we place numerous amounts of windows on all 4 sides of our home, creating stunning, sun-drenched flow throughout the entire day. Just around the corner is your powder bath tucked away. Your guest closet, and storage. Lots and lots of storage throughout this home. Step through the foyer and watch this home instantly open up. This home is designed for family gathering. You're greeted by the stunning upgraded kitchen, where sleek quartz countertop meets an eat-in island kitchen that's just begging for morning coffee or evening cocktails. Notice how the natural light pours in, making every corner feel vibrant. Moving into the gathering room, you have beautiful upgraded fireplace, the cozy centerpiece for your home. And for your indoor and outdoor lifestyle, you have an attached covered living area right off the main space just out your door. Additionally, you have yet another dedicated dining area for those wonderful family dinners. Now for the chef, you've got a professionally 30-inch, 5-burner gas cooktop, a double oven, which includes a convection feature, and wait until you see the storage. There is a massive walk-in pantry hidden away. And just across from this pantry is this gorgeous butler's pantry with glass displays, perfect for showing off your favorite stemware and setting up the ultimate coffee bar. And now my favorite part. Welcome to your private oasis. This main level owner suite isn't just luxurious, It is designed for the way you actually live. What an incredibly spacious owner's suite with room for everything. Plus, the ultimate convenience, your laundry room is located right outside the closet, so you can go from laundry day to organized in seconds. Just outside your laundry is actually the owner's entry where you would come in from the garage. You have a coat closet plus an area to build a cubby. Let's take a walk upstairs and show you the rest of the home. This open railing has been upgraded as well as these laminated treads that match your main level flooring. As you reach the top of the stairs, you're greeted by a versatile seating area that flows into an expansive loft. It's a perfect spot for a casual family lounge or dedicated media room. Throughout this entire upper level, you'll notice an incredible abundance of natural light. And again, lots and lots of storage. Down the hall, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms. One features its own private ensuite. The other 2 bedrooms share a beautifully appointed bathroom with dual sinks and a shower tub combination. And to top it off, every single bedroom comes complete with its own walk-in closet. think? It is ready for you right now. Your family can move right in. I am offering some fabulous incentives I'd like to tell you about. And if you would like to know more about them, drop me a line in the comment below. Also, if you'd like to come and take a look at this home, give me a call, 970-688-0067, or drop me a DM in the comments. Hit subscribe if you would like to learn more about this Stockbridge 4-bedroom home that is available right now.